throw exception in Java. Now we are going to work with throw exception, proceeding further with the exception handling chapter. Now in Java we have already defined exceptions. Exception classes such as arithmetic exception, null pointer, array index out of bounds exception, etc. Now these exceptions are set to trigger on different conditions. For example, when we divide a number by 0, this triggers arithmetic exception. When we try to access the array element out of its bound, then we get in array index out of bound exception. When we defined our own set of conditions or rules and throw an exception explicitly using throw keyword, for example, we can throw arithmetic exception, that is when we divide a number by 5 or any other number, then we need to do is to just set the condition and throw the exception using the throw keyword. Throw keyword can also be used for throwing custom exceptions. Now let us have a look to the syntax of throw keyword. Throw new exception class error message. Now for example, throw new arithmetic exception dividing a number by 5 is not allowed in this program. Let us have a look to the example of throw keyword. Let's say we have a requirement where we need to register the students where their age is less than 12 and weight is less than 40. Now if a condition is not met, when the user should get an arithmetic exception with the warning message, student is not eligible for the registration. That means if a student is less than 12 and less than 40 weight, that means he is not eligible for registration. We have implemented the logic by placing the codes in the method that checks student eligibility. If the student entered age and weight does not meet the criteria, then we throw the exception using the throw keyword. Now in this you can see in the program that we are going to check if the student's age is less than 12 and weight is less than 40. For this we have a class throw example. Now static void check eligibility. Then in this we have two parameters, int stu age and int stu weight. Now if stu age is less than 12 and stu weight is less than 40, throw new arithmetic exception, student is not eligible for registration, else system.out.println student entry is valid. Now public static void main string args system.out.println. Welcome to the registration process. Check eligibility 1039 system.out.println have a nice day. In this you can see that we have given the parameters 10 and 39. That is not a valid parameter and it is going to throw an exception. Student is not eligible for registration. So in this what happens that when the registration process begins, exception in thread main java.lang.arithmetic exception, student is not eligible for registration. Now in this example we have thrown an unchecked exception. Now similar wise we can throw unchecked and user defined exception as well. Now this is all about throw exception, throw keyword in Java. In our next chapters we have also discussed throw clause, and we are also going to cover custom exception and checked and unchecked exception in our forthcoming chapters.